What's up, Internet? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, gagawa po ako ng panibagong ukulele tutorial. And I know you guys love this type of content sa channel ko. And yeah, I'm very sorry guys because it's been a while since the last time na nakapag-upload ako ng video sa channel ko because I've been so busy a lot lately sa school and it's really hard to balance school life and YouTube life. Yeah, you know those things. So without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'll be teaching you the most requested song of the month, and that is Na Muli by Janine Teñoso, originally by Words. So yeah. So first thing that you have to do is you have to clip your capo here on the first fret of your ukulele. Pero pag wala naman kayong capo, okay lang. Same lang naman yung chords, same lang naman yung strumming pattern, nagmatter lang siya sa pitch ng song kasi pag capo 1, medyo mataas siya, parang one step higher than the standard tuning lang na walang capo. So, ayun, wag kayong alala kung wala kayong capo, still you can still you can play the song without using a capo, okay? So, ayan, first thing that I'll be teaching you guys is the intro, and the intro should sound like this. So, ganun yung intro natin, okay? So, Isa lang yung chord sa intro natin, and that is the chord of C, which is the first string sa third fret ng ukulele mo. So, ayan. Tapos, yung parang may naririnig kayong ganun na sound. So, yun yung tinatawag na chucking. Yan yung X. X means chuck, okay? So, pag nag-chucking ka, isang tawag dito, parang technique na kailangan mong i-master pag nagtutugtog ka ng ukulele. Chucking, okay? So, yung chucking is parang ibablock mo, ilalagay mo yung palm mo dito sa strings. Pag nabablock mo, ganun, walang tunog, di ba? Pag ganyan, may tunog, so may vibrations na nagaganap dito sa strings mo. So, ilalagay mo yung palm mo dito, tapos, yung kuko ng index finger mo, isa-strum mo, ganun. Tapos, parang pabigla siya. Tok, 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 tok. Parang ganun. Yun yung chucking, okay? Ayan. So, block, tapos strum. Block, strum, block, strum, block, strum. Tapos, yun. Ganun na. Ganun yung chucking, okay? So, ayan. So, yung strumming natin, down, up, up, chuck. Up, up, down, up, up, chuck. Up, up, down, up, up, chuck. Up, up, down, up, up, chuck. Okay? So, ganun yung intro natin. So, let's move on to the first verse of the song. So, yung first verse natin, sige, tatry ko munang kantahin to. Nung araw, nagay tamis ng ating buhay, puno ng saya ng kulay, di mauulit muli. Ang oras, kapag hinayaang lumipas, Madarama mo hanggang bukas, di mababawi muli. So, ganun. Ganun yung verse 1 natin, okay? So, kanina, di ba, alam na natin yung C. So, ayan. Ayan yung C. Next chord is A minor. Ayan. Tapos, next chord is F. Tapos, B flat. Tapos, G7. And then, C. Tapos, yung pangalawang, part ng verse 1, same chords pa rin. C, A minor, F, B flat, G7, and C. So, these are pretty basic chords na kailangan yung ma-master sa ukulele. And then, the strumming pattern is similar. Ganun pa rin. So, ganito. Down, up, up, chuck. Down, up, up, chuck. Tapos, lipat. So, yung isang strumming pattern, kailangan mo siyang ulitin twice. Tapos, saka na mag-change chord. Okay? So, tapos, lipat. Tapos, sa part na yung may B flat, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, chuck. Down, up, track. Okay? So, sa part na yun is down, up, down, down. Okay? So, down strums, down. Dapat mabilis kang mag-transfer chord, ganun. Down, up, down, up, down, up, track. Down, up, track. So, may dalawang up strums ka pa bago pangalawang down, up, track. Okay? So, down, up, track. Up, down, up, track. Okay, so let's move on to the chorus na part. Diba? Bilis natin mga beshi. So, ayan. So, chorus na part is yung strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Ganun. So, yung tempo nito is parang medyo mabilis ng konti. Tapos, may pagka-rock siya. So, depende na yun sa inyo. If ever nagagawa kayo ng cover gamit tong tutorial na to, so you may modify this strumming pattern. Depende sa panyo kung gusto nyo slow-mo or medyo rock na parang ganun talaga ng original, ganun. So, ayun. So, the chords for the chorus are A minor. So, these are basic chords lang din. Tapos C, F. Tapos, may F minor tayo dito, guys. I know that it's very hard. Lalo na pag yung mga daliri mo is hindi naman siya ganun kaliit. Tapos, may Capo pa, diba? So, ayan. Matuto tayo mag-practice minsan. Ayan. F minor. Tapos, D minor. So, yun lang yung mga chords sa chorus. So, let's try singing the song. Sige, try natin muna. Ang dami-daming bagay na hindi naman kailangan. Kung pwede lang bawasan natin ng mga tampuhan. Hindi mo lang alam, hindi mo pa nararanasan. Kahapon sana natin di mo pa pinahirapan. Patawad mo rin, di na muli. So, ganun yung chorus natin, okay? So, ayan. So, let's break down the strumming pattern. So, first chord, A minor. Down, up. So, every time na nagda-down strum ka, lipat chord, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay? So, A minor. Sige, slow mo. Down. So, ayun, down strum. Down, up. Lipat chord. Down, up. Tapos, lipat chord, up. Tapos, same chord pa rin yung 3 down strums kung ano yung last chord na position, na nakaposition dyan. So, yun lang din yung chord na gagamitin nyo sa last 3 down strum. Okay? So, F naman yun, kailangan, down. Tapos, lipat. Tapos, F minor, down. A minor, balik. Muli. So, sa part na to is strum once per chord na lang. Patawad mo, di na muli. So, ganun yun. Okay? So, ayan, nasa bridge na tayo na part. So, sa bridge na part is medyo, tricky ng konti. Kasi maraming chords and then every time na nagda-down strum ka, ibig sabihin lumilipat ka ng chord. So, dapat yung technique dito sa bridge is that you have to familiarize the chords and then also dapat mabilis kang maglipat ng chord from one chord to another. So, ayun. So, yung bridge natin is ganito. At natapos ang himas ng sandali, di kukubli aking tinig ng lumipas na timalang nasabi. Salamat hanggang sa muli. So, ganun yung bridge natin. So, yung mga chords dito is C, F, E, D, F minor, D minor, G7. So, yung mga chords dito is very easy and very basic lang. But the thing is that you have to, master the art of lipat-lipat chords. Ganun. So, ayun. So, yung strumming pattern natin is down, up lang. So, every time na nada-down strum ka, lipat chord. Okay? Down, up, lipat, up, down. Ayan. Down, up, down. Nasabi. Pero sa nasabi at yung sa last word na muli, sa bridge na part is twice mo yung uulitin yung strumming pattern, okay? Tapos, salamat hanggang sa muli. So, ganun yung bridge natin, okay? So, next part is another chorus, and then let's move on to the last part of the song, which is the outro. Yung outro natin is, magiging ganito siya. Pinawi ang buhay mo na walang sabi. Pinubulong ko sa sarili. Mahal kita hanggang sa huli. Mahal kita hanggang sa huli. Mahal kita hanggang sa huli. Oh, mahal kita hanggang sa huli. Ang ingay, may gulay. Hindi ko alam kung sakto ba yung pagkakanta ko, pero, yeah. So, sa outro na part is, similar lang yung strumming pattern niya sa verses natin and also sa intro. Yung may chuck, ganun. So, ayan. Down, up, chuck. Up, down, up, chuck. Up, down, up, chuck. Okay? Ayan lang, guys. Just master the art of lipat-lipat chords and also take note sa chucking. So, that is another thing that you should master sa ukulele.